Dude, it's big, dude.
Is it?
It's... What the f...
Down in Pittsburgh today, doing some fishing. It's crazy windy today. I don't know how this audio is gonna sound, but we'll see what we can catch.
I guess we're trying to reel, like...
There's fish.
Downstream. Yeah.
It's really white.
I had a little tiny ass bait fish going through it.
Really? There's a little guy. Nothing. Hey, there's a fish.
He's fighting.
Hell yeah.
Not bad.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude. Cast out around that sandbar out there. I got a ton of bites out there.
Wow, I don't know if anybody can see this, but this is really unfortunate. I did not mean to snag this thing, but there it is.
They said they fish here quite a bit.
Oh, really?
Supposed to look at the bigger shit. You got one?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Good one, dude.
Do I need to net?
I don't know. It's a good one, dude. It's definitely a good one. Not huge, but he's pulling a lot, dude.
That was a nice one. That was a real nice one.
Pretty nice smallie. Cool looking guy. You got a fish? Hang on, I'm trying. Are you serious?
Let's go.
Cole just caught a really nice walleye. Well, wasn't recording, but decent fish. See you later, dude.
Dude, it's big, dude.
Is it?
It's... What the f...
Is that a drum?
That's a drum, dude.
Let's go! Let's go!
Pick that up, dude.
Holy,
Jesus.
holy dude.
That is f***ing huge.
Oh my god, dude.
That is massive. How much do you think that weighs?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
10 pounds?
That's kind of what I was thinking. Maybe not 10, but
8.
8.
8 all the way.
Yeah. Dude, they're such a... I've never seen one before.
I haven't either. Not in person.
No.
What
Dude, that's
the
a fish.
dude? What the f? Do they have teeth? I don't think.
No, I don't think so. I don't see any.
Cole,
That's big, dude.
that's a
Like,
fucking
I don't
fish.
know how big drums get, but that's a big fish.
Dude, I thought you were gonna win fish of the day with the walleye. I might have got bigger than you, dude.
Yeah, weight-wise for sure.
Oh, weight-wise for
Length,
sure.
Probably not quite, but it's damn close. I don't know.
Dude, I need a picture of this fucking thing.
Yeah.
Holy fucking hell,
That's
dude.
fucking sick. That's like carp weight, dude. Like that is like, that's like a fucking carp.
I don't know if it like, I don't know if they have like catfish like grip strength.
I don't think so.
Holy f, dude.
No, apparently drum do have teeth.
Yeah, they have little teeth. I can see them.
But it's used to crush and grind food.
Yeah, I don't want to put my finger in there. I need pliers.
Where are those at?
Holy sh, dude. Dude, that is cool.
I'll back up a little. Oh, I can just unzoom so I can get you in it. Let's take a bunch of, just so you've got a bunch of good ones, especially for a fish you've never caught before.
Yeah.
I load up.
Dude. Holy dude. Did you see it peel in line,
Oh,
dude?
yeah. I saw your rod bend, and yeah, I'm like, as soon as I saw that, I'm like, I was preparing to get the net.
Let's fucking go, dude. Dude, drum and a walleye today, dude.
Hey guys, that was a crazy video. I never expected to catch a drum on a chatterbait. That was the first drum I ever caught. Me and my cousin were freaking out, so I'm sorry about all the foul language. You know, that's the first time I ever fished down in Pittsburgh, so catching that was super cool, makes it a memorable experience. I'm looking forward to fishing down there again. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.